Thank you for helping us help students this year. Here's how we connected with students online in new ways.
We started an emergency good food box and delivered close to 42,000 pounds of food to GBC student households between September 2020 and April 2021. Also, we reached 7,204 students and their household members.
Since COVID-19 started, it has had a big impact on students. We have provided sign language basics by going online with Zoom. We facilitated sign language basics on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And during the last semester, we had a total of 111 participants. They truly enjoyed these sessions.
We started a Discord server. 200 students joined the server in winter 2021. 251 students participated in the server in winter 2021. And we added program channels for health sciences, social service work, culinary hospitality, ESL, and more.
We also moved our stress busters on Discord, and we offer both chats, workshops, learning about COVID anxiety, mindful breathing, and introducing students to cognitive behavioral therapy.
We have created weekly interviews on our Instagram Live with college and community services that aim to help students. From May 2020 to April 2021, it has garnered 2,386 views. We have also added live ASL interpretation to this, as well as to all live streams. We have increased our roster as well as a variety of guests, and conversations have continued to solicit more student input.
The Chat with a Deaf Peer Coach program is held in groups or one-to-one, and has had a total of 74 student participants. This program benefits students by helping them improve their language skills while conversing with a deaf peer coach.
We also moved our Mood Roots program onto Instagram and created a scavenger hunt for students to submit their own Mood Root pictures.
Over the past months, we received more than 100 beautiful photos of fall leaves, bodies of water, park playgrounds, and even indoor items during lockdown, like athletic meals and fun board games.